Hey everybody, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Lakewood Ranch and Sarasota new construction home specialist here. Here I am at Dell Webb Catalina, Lakewood Ranch. They just opened a couple days ago. They have 16 different models, anywhere from about $360 up to $1 million in the base price. I'm gonna do a quick tour of the community of what's to come and show you some of the models. Let's go check it out. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Dell Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Leighton Grande coming into your picture. Today we're going to do a walkthrough tour of the Mystique model, which is one of the most popular models that this builder offers in all of their communities. You see it sprinkled around Southwest Florida. It's anywhere from 2 to 4 beds, 2 to 3 baths, 1,800 square feet and up. Base price on this one, $539,000, and as shown, almost $800,000. So lots of upgrades. Consider the waterfront lot, the pool, and stuff like that. High-end finishes. Take a look. Reach out to me with any questions. 941-999-0364.